Welcome to codersclub.in. In this video, we will look into a tag called as label. So the label is basically used to give labels on the HTML page. We'll see with an example. I'll open Visual Studio Code. See, I already have a file called as eg8.html, wherein I have a text area here and comments. So this is this is actually a label-like thing only, but it is a text I have given here. I have not used the label tag. Okay, here also I have not used the label tag. But there are two text areas. First, we will see how it is rendered on the browser. You see, this is how it is rendered on the browser. Now, what I will do is I will modify this only. So by using a label. So how to do that is, first we have to give one ID to this text area, that is comments. ID is equal to comments, comments. And here also same, ID is equal to comments. And next we have to remove this and use a label tag, label, and we have an attribute here called as for. Here we have to give the ID. See here, label. So this is an attribute. Attribute is equal to comments we have given. So this is actually referring to the ID of this text area. So that is how it is. And then here also we'll remove this. We'll replace this by label. Label for equal to reviews. And then we'll write here as reviews. And we have a comment here. Okay, fine. So let us see how it is rendered here. So rendering, you don't find any difference, but this is a label. Okay, whatever we have used here. So this label is sometimes used for focusing purpose. Okay, and whenever we use a CSS frameworks, so these labels will be used. So that's what we have done here. We have replaced our ordinary text label with a label tag. So once again, I will explain here. Whenever you want to use a label tag, what you have to do is you have to have an ID for this some other element. Okay, it may be an input type also. Okay, text area is a tag which is having an ID of comments. So for this particular element, we are having a label here. Label, you should write for and then comments. So this should be the ID of the other element. Okay, similarly here also. So this is reviews is the ID of this text area. So that is how this works. So this is about the tag called as label. Thank you.